my Dan Wesson, made by ASG. I actually bought this because I actually really liked it, and I probably will not be using it on a skirmish. I just wanted it. It's actually a showpiece. It's absolutely stunning. 6 rounds in the chamber, half cock, runs on CO2 gas, which goes into the hand grip. Put a cylinder in there, screw it up, close it again. I've actually got this on the low power cartridges that go in here. I probably will get some of the high power ones, but this is absolutely stunning. Let's take it downstairs and see what it fires. This is Dan Wesson. Dan Wesson Chrono.